I'm not going to edit this video. It's going to be plain as it is. You just listen, and I think you're going to get something out of it. It's going to help one of you at least change their lives. Personally, I'm a born again Christian. Iko tu hivyo vile iko. No editing, no nothing. Yes. So here I have my nyundo or hammer. Okay. Here I have my saw or msumeno. From which company? It's called what? I had already used it, so I can't read it clearly, but I have a saw. That's what is important. Yeah, I'm trying to make my own background. As you can see, there's these two woods here, the two there, the one there. So one is gonna go on this side, the other one on this side, and the other one on top. And when I cut them, maybe if I get a good enough piece, the other one is gonna go on the middle for strength. Yeah, and then the other one is this one, the small pliers and all that. Yeah, as a man, you have to do things by yourself. You know, you have to do things for yourself and using your hands. Now, I used to farm, by the way. I was brought up in shags when I was little. And I got used to that life, you know, where you go and plant in the farm. Yeah, together with my grandmom and or together with my grandmother, in other words. So it was a good one. Yo, if you know you're a man, you have a child or a boy child, make sure that you take them back home. It is good to have these skills. Right now, I'm very sure many of you cannot do whatever I'm gonna do right now because it is tedious work. It's like, you know, you feel like it's cheap stuff and all that. But there's a certain fulfillment that comes with doing things with your own hands. There's a reason why you have two hands, okay? These two hands, they are very important. And if you utilize them well, you're going to get a lot of good things out of them. So, for now, I'm trying to make a background. As you can see, the wall is just plain. Yeah, I'm trying to see if I can make a background for my YouTube and all the other socials, especially TikTok, because I'm very active on TikTok. So let us see how it's gonna turn. And we pray that everything goes on well. You know, it's always trial and error. Do you know that someone sat down and came up with an idea of building or creating a bulb? So every day you have to keep on inventing new things. You have to keep on, innovating stuff and all that. And for me, I'm a believer of using your hands to make your life easier. It's not that I cannot take this to the fundi and he makes it for me, but there's a joy that comes with, making your own things with your hands. So stick around. I hope this DIY is gonna get to where I want it to be. I'm a very particular person, and I love being specific. I love being detailed with my work because I'm a graphic designer at the end of the day. So you understand what I'm trying to say. So I believe this one is gonna turn out well. I trust so. And you'll advise me after the work is done if you like it, because I've been using my computer as a part of or my workspace is my background. And for those of you who have been around, you can see, I don't know whether you can see, that's my sound bar. Yeah, you can see now this is what I've been using. So this is my computer, and and a bit of my TV. Yeah, you can see it, and then the sound bar is just here. Yeah, so as you can see, this has been my background for a long time, and I'm just trying to make sure that I'm creative. I just want to come up with something new, a new idea, so that we take this channel to the next level. Of course, later on in life, I'm gonna get something better, but for now, I just want to do it by myself. I want to experience that. You know, this brand, I treasure it so much, and I usually love doing things by my hands. So even my wife knows that before I take something to, you know, not mechanic, before I take anything to fundi, I usually like doing it myself, because that's what I enjoy. And I believe any woman out there would love their men to be doing everything, you know, by their hands. So I love doing things by my hands because I'm more of a practical person or human being or a man. Yeah, I believe that is part of masculinity. You know, that is what the world is trying to take away. You know, this good masculinity, and it's good to have that masculine energy in you as a man. You need to have good values as a man. There are values for men and there are values for women. So that's why I love doing things by my own hands. And even sometimes I can even repair a shoe. Yeah, just the other day my wife had a problem with one of her sneakers, and you know, she had to ask me first if I can fix it, because she knows that is who I am. I love fixing things in my house. Even when the sink sometimes tries to, you know, drain water slowly, I open each and every part, okay, and I fix it, and it works. So that's me. So in rare cases, you'll find me taking things to fundi and all that. Even the bulb, you know, when it gets burnt, I change it. Or when even the switches, sometimes maybe it might have some issues when you're trying to switch on, off, and all that. I will open it and try to see what is happening inside there. So I'm that type of a person. Even my computer right now, like I usually open it and separate each part individually, and I wipe it clean. You understand? So that's the kind of man I am, and I enjoy it so much. So being masculine, let no one lie to you that masculinity is toxic. Some of these narratives women come up with, they don't even understand what that means. They just say toxic masculinity. Then when you ask them, what do you mean by that? What does that mean? They cannot even explain. They fumble their words here and there, and you clearly see that they don't understand what is toxic masculinity. One thing I don't support is violence, especially in a relationship. No man should beat a woman, and no woman should beat or abuse a man. No man, if you feel like hii ni kama inafika mwisho ama mwenzako anakukosea, seek advice from other men. If you're a woman, seek an advice from other women. Older women, of course, not your age mates. One problem that we are making as a society is that we are seeking advice from people who don't have, you know, any experience. So if you're a man, ask advice from someone who is older than you and is already married, if you're married, or is already if you're in a relationship and you feel like something is not working or something is not going the way you anticipated. Just look out for a man whom you can share your story with, okay, or your problems with. It is good to share, because when you share, you offload some things from your chest. So I can encourage you to be masculine and have that positive energy. If you're a woman, have that feminine energy. As a man, I need that femininity in you, and you as a woman, you need that masculinity from me. Okay, we are clearly different. We are created different. There's a reason why you're a woman and I'm a man, and there's a reason why every time a man is around a woman, there's a certain spark that is usually in that environment. I'm getting all motivational and all that, but why not? If it's going to help one of you, why not? Okay, so have that positive mindset. Always have that mindset. Positive mindset all the time. And let us be our brother's keepers, especially for men. We need to be accountable for one another. If you see a man going wrong, approach him, talk to him, and make sure that you put the right mindset in that man. Or you advise him to do the best thing or the right thing, in other words. So let us be our brother's keeper, and I'm very sure we are going to have a great society. And if you're a man and you have a boy child in your house, train them to be masculine. And masculine, you don't need to be like, you have big chest, you have, big arms and all that. No. Masculinity is all about your mindset. If your mental health is strong, then you will conquer a lot of things, especially if you're a man. So, I never intended to do this video because, most of you are used, to see me with my cape and all that. I look a bit shaggy because, as I said, I have the tools here. Okay, I have the tools for the job, and as I said, I'm going to DIY my background and see how it comes. So I hope you have learned something. Share this video to one of the men that you feel like they need to hear it. Okay, so thank you so much, and as always, is your boy Malik, graphics and digital, the masculine man of God. God himself is masculine. There's no doubt about that, because God is straightforward. Okay, Jesus himself is masculine. There's no doubt about that. That's why he conquered everything. Your mental health is very important. Take care of it. I know a lot of things are happening, but who gives a crap? Okay, take care of your mental health. Don't overthink and don't overshare, and avoid social media a lot. Scrolling all day long, and it is not helping you achieve your goals as a man. So make sure that your mental health here is okay. That is very important. If someone is not helping you out, just let them go, especially friends. Be careful with the types of friends you choose. Man, being born again does not mean that you don't interact with other people. I interact with all sorts of people, but there are boundaries. I have to make sure that there are boundaries. If you want to do something and you want me to be involved or to get involved, I have to look at what does my God tell me. Okay, what does my spirit tell me? And with my spirit, I listen to it a lot. Always listen to your inner self. If something is not right and it's going to, get you in trouble, stay out of it. So personally, I don't drink. I don't take any drugs and all that. I used to long time ago, like 6 years ago. But for the last 6 years, I've not taken alcohol, not any drugs and all that. My body is just clean and pure. Simple life, and everything is going on well. So just stay safe and always make sure that your mental health is clean. As I've said, I'm not going to edit this video, so you just watch as it is. Now we meet on the next one. So the next time you're going to see me, maybe the background will be different. So stick around and stay safe. Peace. Today is the day. Today is the day. Yes. So the background is gonna be good. I trust that. I trust my hands. These two hands, God is an amazing God. And I know these two hands are going to do something marvelous, are going to do something authentic. So let us meet on the next one. Nyundo ndio hiyo. Mental health, make sure iko sawa. Okay? Your mental health, make sure iko sawa. Peace. Say peace. Say peace. 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 Good boy. Peace. Good boy. That's my son. Strong than ever. Having a strong father with a good mental health. Sons need their fathers. If you're a woman, take care of that man. I mean your husband. Your husband, take care of him. Make that environment conducive for him to be around you and his children, especially the boy child. Okay? Even the girl child needs a father, of course, a father figure. They need to understand who is a man, and they can only understand it through their father. So, peace. I know I can talk the whole day, but now let's get to work. Thank you so much. Mali Graphics and Digital, as always.